Good morning, friends. Welcome to Canines Coach. So, friends, today is a new episode. So, we will show the previous episodes practice and the improvement. And today we will try to show you if the dogs are practiced well, then you need not to show the hand or treat every time when you ask the dog to sit. On verbally, the dog will stop and sit, and we will go with the inducive method of training for reaching down, and we will add one more command, that is down to sit and stand. Okay, down to sit and stand command in this today's episode. So first we will go for the warm up session, right? The 3 rounds of heel walk, and we will come back again and we will teach the dogs the new command, that is down to sit and stand command, right? Chalo beta. 3 rounds of heel walk. So you can see all the dogs are walking properly on the heel. So Danny is also walking properly on the heel. So we will go for 3 rounds of heel walk for the warm up purpose. For the warm up purpose, we will go for 3 rounds of heel walk. So you can see all the dogs are walking on the heel. So it's a bit raining. It's drizzling actually. It is not yet started. Fast heel walk. Chalo beta. Fast heel walk. Namaste. Fast heel walk. Fast. Warm up ke liye. So you can see, friends, all the dogs are walking on the heel. They are not pulling, even though the handlers are walking fast in a brisk pace. So it is a warm up session. It's a warm up session. So after the warm up, we will go inside and we will check the previous episodes commands. So this is. So friends, the secret for a well behaved dog is obedience, and obedience you can achieve with the help of we will start the training with the help of classical conditioning. Once the classical conditioning is nothing but attaching good things to good things and bad things to bad things. So what is good thing? If the dog is properly walking on the heel, the handler will treat. Treating the dog is a good thing, and reprimanding the dog is a bad thing. Okay. What is the reprimand? A simple jerk of the leash is considered as a reprimand or a punishment to the dog. So we will start the training with the help of classical conditioning, that is relating the good thing with the good thing and bad thing with the bad thing. Then we will proceed towards habituation. We will repeat that process over a period of time, which the dogs get habituated to behave in a particular way. And the third phase of the training will be instrumental conditioning, where we will explain in coming days when we apply the instrumental conditioning. Instrumental conditioning is nothing but command, response and consequence. If I give a command, if you do it, you will get the required consequence. So we will go inside because of the 3 rounds of warm up is happened. So we will proceed inside and we will check on command the dogs are doing or not. So if again the dogs are required to presented with a treat, then we will check how it goes. ठीक है, चलो on command sit कराना बेटा. On command, no treat, only heel, stop, sit. On command. चलो. Stop and sit. So you can see the dogs are not required any kind of treat to sit. So it is a sit. That's it. Now treat. Take out the treat from the pouch and treat the dog. Good. So you can see Dan is also walking on the heel, and Susie, she is just sitting on command. Sit. Yes. Sit. Very good. Shadow, Tank, they are all sitting on command without any treat. So the inducive thing for the sit command is over. Now the dogs are habituated to sit on command. If you say sit, the dog will understand to sit. Right? So you can see even the Deepak is not showing any hand signal. Also on command, the dog is sitting. Okay. Sit. So stay की practice. Stay की practice. Stay here. Stay करो. So you can check the progress, friends. So Danny is more stable now. Now he is on a more stable position and he is staying for a longer period of time. So that is what we achieved during this training period. So Danny is staying for a longer period of the time. So you can see initially when we are trying to teach the dog to stay command, he was getting up frequently. He was getting up frequently. Treat do beta, treat do. After the completion of the routine, treat do. After the completion of the routine, so you can see shadow. Shadow is also stay command, stay command. Shadow को shoot करो. Shadow. Shadow. So you can see Shadow. He is in a very stable position. Danny, Shadow. Even I am moving there, here and there. The dogs are not getting distracted. So you can see all the dogs are doing well. So friends, this is the progress. This is the practice of previous commands. Now we will proceed with that command, the down to sit and stand command. So we will add down to sit and stand command. चलो बेटा ट्रीट के साथ डाउन कराओ, डाउन टू सिट कराओ और स्टैंड कराओ. Very good. Heel, stop, sit. Yes. Sit. Down. Yes. Down. Sit. Stand. Very good. Very good. This is the thing, friends. So we added down to sit and stand command. So with the help of induciveness, that we are inducing the dog with the help of a treat. And so you need to see Susie also. Sit. The dog is sitting down. Very good. Stay. Sit. Very good. Stand. Very good. Very good. So you can see the progress and the things are happening very great to friends. Dogs are doing exceptionally well. And you can see Shadow also. Shadow is going down to sit, down to stand. Very good. This is the thing. So today we added heel, the down to sit and stand command. एक बार सूजी का दिखाओ. Down, good girl, and sit. Very good. And stand. Very good. So you can see things are happening in a very smooth way. So last thing I would like to demonstrate, friend, how long the dog will stay. So I will count for up to the count of 30. That is 30 seconds. Our target for today for the stay is 30 seconds. If we achieve the target, so we will set the standard higher for next time. That means we will make the dog to sit for 1 minute. So I am 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. So 30 seconds. Our target is for 30 seconds. Let us see Susie is doing or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Very good. Very good. So successfully we achieved half a minute of stay. So this will multiply in coming days. So we will go for 1 minute tomorrow, 1.5 minutes day after tomorrow, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes. Likewise, we will increase the time. So friends, it is called hierarchy of intensity, building hierarchy of intensity. We will start with 5 seconds. We will go for 50 minutes also sometimes or 1 hour also. So you can see tag, shadow, Danny, all are staying, all are doing commands on command. So you can see Susie, Danny, Tank, Shadow, everyone is in stay position. The handlers are feeling more confident now, and the dogs are also doing well. So this is the great progress we achieved, friends. So we have got Great Danes, Pian Corsos, and so these breeds are considered to be one of the toughest breeds to train because of their size and because of their adamantness. So we have chosen these breeds to show you how the training will happen, right? So that's it, friends, for today. So even if the dogs are racing, the handler's job is to make them corrected, and that is the ultimate thing what we can do, right? So friends, thank you. That's it for today. We will catch you tomorrow with another episode. That till the time, thank you.